Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make your iPhone flash when you get a call or text. If you're using any iPhone and you want to enable your flashlight that whenever you receive a call or a text, so let's see how can you do that. So in order to do that, you have to simply open your settings app, and in settings, very first I recommend you how to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issue. Once you updated your software, just simply go to the accessibility section. Select accessibility, just scroll down and look for audio and visual. Select this, and here just scroll down and you'll see the option of flash for alerts. Just select this option and enable this from here. And once you have enabled, you might see that whenever you receive a call or a text message, your flashlight will blink, or you can also get it in your silent mode by enabling this toggle. So in this way you can easily make your iPhone flash whenever you receive a text or a call. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.